Hello everyone, this is Jasmine and you listening to me Jasmine Vlogs. Today is my topic about kitchen utensils. So let's start. Jug, glass, cup and saucer, tray, fork, spoon, bowl, lunch box, water cooler, knife, skimmer, sieve sifter, kettle, tea strainer, thermos, milk can, pot, spatula, ladle, ice cream bowl, juicer machine, fry pan, mug, chopping board or cutting board, cooker, oven glove, cleaver, dishwasher cloths, dish rake, scissors, cutlery set, bread knife, cake slicer, measuring spoon set, strainer, ice cream bowl, spice container set, jar, microwave oven, cooker, juicer, bottle opener, plastic tongs, whisker, peeler, cleaner wiper, kitchen wiper, mob, stainless container, dustpan, dustbin, rolling pin and board. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel Jasmine Vlogs.